Yes, Melissa, that's right. Gary Gensler was here talking about regulating crypto. Kara Swisher asked Elon Musk what he thinks should be done about regulating crypto, and he said nothing. He said that though, Kara Swisher put it as the Wild West of finance, he thinks that nothing should be done. He talked about how he's very familiar with money systems, obviously came from PayPal, but he thinks that this is an area that's better unregulated. Also weighing in on China, saying he's not particularly concerned about U.S.-China relations, saying that he thinks that the Chinese government and the way it treats entrepreneurs and the like will get better with time. That's just been damaged in part by the lack of ability to have in-person meetings during the pandemic. Also talking about space travel, saying he's glad that Bezos and Richard Branson are investing in space travel, but making it very clear that what he's doing, orbital space travel, is very different, much more complex and much more expensive, but saying he himself doesn't need to go to space. This is more about him creating an interplanetary species. Melissa?
Thank you, Julia Borston, from the Code Conference. Dan, you are there. Leave it to Elon Musk to talk about these species, intergalactic or whatnot.
Well, it's funny. If you were expecting him to be really excitable, he's not. He's pretty chill. He actually has like one of those things that guy probably wears at home around his neck, like one of those things on him. I will say he said this to Kara Swisher, who asked him the question about China. His first response, and I think he was trying to be snarky, was, "Where is Jack Ma?" Which I think is really interesting, because then he went into this other bit. So interesting question from a CEO of a company that is one of the largest in the world.